Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add PDF file to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix, and when you're going to be here, you just want to click here on Add Plus, and then click on Button, and then you're going to select Document Buttons here. And you can simply choose like between this PDF, and this PDF. So I'm going to choose this one. Then I'm going to upload media, upload from computer. And then I'm going to choose like, I don't know, whatever. This one. And add to page, right? Now I'm going to make it bigger. And preview the website. And when I'm going to click on PDF, it's going to automatically open. So this is pretty much it. And this is how we can add PDF files to Wix website. Have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.